Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about and I'll be demonstrating about links and how fake links are created and sent to you, the victim, by a hacker to manipulate your thoughts and get information from you. I'll demonstrate using Facebook. So I'll use a tool called SE Toolkit. It's pre-installed when you download Kali. It's just there. It's there on Kali. You don't download it from anywhere. For those who are using Kali Linux. So a minute. Yeah, so I'll go to one, social engineering attacks, website attack vectors, credential harvester attack method, and then I'll go to site cloner. So it tells me IP address for the post back in harvester stock tab nabbing. So I'll use my IP address. I'll use this for tab nabbing. And then I'll enter the fake URL which I want to clone. The original URL which I will want to clone. So in our case, I'll use Facebook. Yeah, so okay, watch what happens. Okay, before that I will transform this IP address into a link using bit.ly.com. So here we go. There we have a link, so we copy it. Then here is where the social engineering comes in, where I talk to my victim. I tell them that, for example, here I had said, hey, what's up? I got an amazing pair of shoes at a very cheap rate. Check them out via this link. I had earlier done this, so let's just paste it there, and then I can paste the link again. I can paste my link here, where it will redirect my victim. So I've sent the link on WhatsApp, or maybe it can be over Instagram DM, or via Twitter, or via any platform where you can share links and documents and such. So at the moment I don't have a real physical victim, so I'll play the part of the victim too. So I'll just click on this link, just like the victim will look at this link and decide to click and look at the cheap pair of shoes, and watch what happens over on this side. Damn, we're there. Boom, boom, boom. So as you can see, this is not a real Facebook site. Why? This is not a valid URL. This is an IP address. And then once again, when you click on this padlock, it brings you the statement that connection is not secure. For real and proper websites which are secure, this is the case. Secure connection. This means that this site is secure and you're not vulnerable to hackers and attacks. So playing the part of the victim, definitely this victim wants to see this pair of shoes at which are being sold at a very cheap rate. Let's say I will key in the name boy. This is my username, and then the password 123425. Oh, then you can see the password boy 12345. Don't save. As you can see now, I have been redirected to the original site, and it's secure, not like the previous one which wasn't secure. So this is on the hacker end. Password found. Yep, here we are. The username, email, and the password boy. Yep, and that's how hackers get into your information using phishing links and social engineering. Thank you for watching. Take care and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.